Hey, what's up everyone? So I just wanted to show you this pretty cool shirt that I made. And I did everything myself. I bought the thread, I bought a machine, and I bought the shirt itself. And I made this shirt here at home. So if you stay tuned, I'll show you everything I did and some of the other options that are going to be out there for you as well. So I started off with my regular logo that I had made on my previous video, and I showed you how I did that. And I ended up with this logo, one for my motorcycle stuff and one for my car stuff. And then I decided I was going to buy an embroidery machine, and I went something that's a little bit more DIY. So it's the Brother SE600, but there's professional options as well, and I'll talk about those a little bit further in the video. But for now, let's talk about DIY stuff. So I decided I was going to buy software, and I was able to find software on eBay, which is the Brother software, and I bought it for like $6. So that's really cheap, but I ran into some problems where the logo didn't look quite as good as I wanted to, and even though I was playing with all the options and everything that goes into it to make my stitching better, it was still not that great. And I decided to look into having somebody do it for me, the digitizing of the logo itself. And I went with Digitizing Pro. And for $25, they made they just basically digitized the logo and they made it better for me. And this was the end result. Initially, I invested about 2 days, maybe 3 days worth of playing around with the features and the stitching and all that, and it was just not that good. So paying $25 to have your logo made by a professional, or digitizing actually your logo, is really worth it. Alright, so now talking a little bit more of going with something that's a little bit more professional, or something that's going to be for a full-on business. You're going to be looking at a professional machine that basically changes the threads for you. So instead of having to manually change out the thread, it just kind of does it for you. You already have it set up. But those machines are going to run you a lot of money, into the few thousands of dollars. Some of the cheaper ones that I saw were about $5,000. So again, that's going to be for somebody that's going to be making a whole bunch of shirts. If you're like me and you're going to make a few shirts and going to embroider some stuff here and there, that's probably not going to be your best option. So, but embroidery machines can do something very professional, to where basically the entire process is automated. But if you're making just a few shirts, that's going to be too expensive. Another thing that you could do is take your business to a professional that does everything for you. They basically digitize the logo, they give you the shirts, and they embroider for you. But again, you're going to be looking at spending a little bit more money and not get exactly what you want sometimes. Because, for example, I looked up on a website, and then I looked up another website, and they'll give you a shirt, but you have to buy 12 of them in order for you to submit an order. Then there's places that are like, oh, no minimum orders, you can order one shirt, but you're also going to be looking at spending $30 to $40 per shirt. And the way I did it, I bought this shirt from Walmart for like $7. The $25 digitizing fee, and the thread that I bought was like $5. And then you gotta buy what they call backings, and that basically helps the shirt not wrinkle as it's being embroidered. So, and now I have the capability of making a whole bunch of shirts. And I know the $300 embroidery machine may be a little bit more than you want to spend, but I plan on doing this for my shirts that I wear while I'm making videos, as well as for shirts that I wear when I'm going out to do some of the events like the motorcycle track days. And in the future, I'm also going to be tracking my Corvette and the 240. So it's worth it for me to do the DIY option versus doing the professional setup. But those are some of the options that are going to be available for you.